Hi guys, no more here for unboxing of the new phone in front of me, and this is the Lenovo A5, and this phone was launched on June of this year 2018, and I got it for $90 and it's pretty cheap, huh? Alright, and as you can see right now, um, the box of the phone has a dent on it. Maybe it's because of the shipping. Alright, and let me show you the box side by side. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, and let me grab a knife for me to peel off the plastic film. But the box was nice, huh? Alright, let me peel off the seal. Alright, and let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's pretty tight. Alright, so here's the phone in front of me. And here's the fingerprint scanner and the camera at the back of the phone. And at the bottom of the phone that you can see the charging port, that is the USB 2.0, and that is the speaker jack and the SIM card tray, and also the volume rocker as well as the power button. And it has a round corner. Just wondering why I can't see the speaker grills. And let's see what's inside the box. And underneath the phone, it has, as a usual thing, that you can see the quick start guide. Okay. And the other paperworks. Alright, and now this is the SIM card tray ejector. And the USB 2.0 power cord, or I'm sorry, it's the USB 2.0 cord. And the rounded European charger. I'm just wondering why there is no headset. But it's good that the charger came with the adapter. Yeah, there's no headset or there's no any headphone. All right, and that's the unboxing experience. And let's turn on the phone after this one. All right, and let's turn it on now. Let's remove the plastic film first, and let's turn it on. All right, that's it. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel for another YouTube video for the full review of this phone. And um, also click the bell icon for you to notify. And also I will post as well as the um, troubleshooting steps. All right, thank you and have a good day.